Galaxy Z Fold 6. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we've got some exciting whispers about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 phones. And guess what? We might see not one, but two versions of this cool foldable gadget, including a budget-friendly pick to bring more fans into the foldable phone club. What's the deal with the budget Galaxy Z Fold 6? Word on the street is that Samsung might be cooking up a Galaxy Z Fold 6 that's kinder to your wallet, possibly called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Fan Edition. To keep costs down, it might skimp a bit on the screen, processor, and battery but still keep its camera game strong. A cheaper foldable phone? Yes, please. There are rumors that Samsung wants to make foldable phones a thing for everyone, with a price that might dip as low as $800. That's a huge deal for folks itching to try a foldable phone without breaking the bank. What to expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 6? This new foldable is shaping up to be pretty snazzy, with a 7.6-inch screen that's brighter and tougher than ever. Expect a neat punch-hole selfie camera and a trio of cameras on the back. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset means things should run super smooth and fast. When can we get our hands on it? Samsung's planning to show off the Galaxy Z Fold 6 at their Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2024. They're kicking off production early, hinting we might not have to wait too long to see them in stores. The budget version might just debut right alongside the main squeeze, with production starting in May 2024. A sneak peek at the design. Leaked pics are showing off a Galaxy Z Fold 6 that's all about sleek lines and a fresh look, making it a bit different from the older models. While we're still guessing on some specifics like size and S Pen friendliness, Samsung's definitely aiming for eye candy that's also super practical. Over to you. So, what do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the idea of a more wallet-friendly version? Are you excited? Confused? Curious? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more juicy tech tidbits. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.